Chenbro is fortunate enough to constantly grow. The three of us built a company from scratch with no techniques, no resource, and no funding. We learned customer pain points and customer demand, so we decided to work on this. With passionate attitude and perseverant mindset, Chenbro has been serving our clients by creating values and solving problems for them. We used to have mass production of PC chassis, and now we focus on diverse and customized service chassis. The market varies quickly. We must stay foolish and make continuous improvements. I hope that in the industry, when clients talk about enclosure solution of ICT products, Chenbro is their first choice. To benefit others is to benefit ourselves. The mutual benefits are the common good for the society. With the corporate values of diligence and integrity, we cooperate with our partners for the co-prosperity.
When making collaborations, we would ponder the benefits of colleagues, direct clients and end customers, supply chain partners, and eco-partners. By generating collaborative synergy, we practically achieve a win-win.
Back in 1983, in Taiwan and even Asia, Chenbro was the first trading company of PC chassis. Chenbro started from designing products and working with outsourcing manufacturers to having self-built assembly lines and production lines. Our business model started with OTS and ODM, further expanded to JDM, providing customized solutions, and then OEM. We established diverse business models to meet customer needs. We also focus on simplified process, standard operating procedures, and value stream. So we provide wide variety of small volume products. We transform from PC to IPC chassis and then to server chassis. Facing the increasing demand for server, we locked in the cloud, 5G, and AI business, and fulfilled small quantity or mass production orders. We adopted modular product design, which derived from Lego, brick by brick. To stay ahead of the competition in an evolving industry, we keep up with technology landscape to build a technical moat for Chenbro.
Starting from 2017 in annual strategy meeting, we came up with specific slogan every year. Our first slogan was LEAP. Over the past years, Chenbro has thrived continuously. There are three pillars of Chenbro's business strategy. The first one is core value reinforcement, that is deepening our R&D technologies. Secondly, it's operational efficiency optimization, namely improving our manufacturing capacity and quality. Thirdly, it is business opportunity, derived from cloud, AI, and 5G. Our OTS products, so-called off-the-shelf, OTS provides compatible yet differentiated solutions for clients. Whatever's inside, Chenbro's outside. Our OTS products won 2018 Red Dot Design Award, 2022 IF Design Award, and Computex Best Choice Award. Our business model includes JDM and OEM+. We made lots of investments to build a LCIM factory, aiming to achieve low-cost intelligent manufacturing. Advancing towards sustainable growth, we embarked on the succession plan for young leaders. We want to empower and unleash young talents' creativity and innovation, and cultivate them with more challenges and opportunities. We also encourage them to be proactive. Opportunity waits for no man. Chasing your career success takes courage and ambition. My dear colleagues, we win over new business. Let us make Chenbro the #1 leader of enclosure solutions.
ESG is crucial for Chenbro. To do the right things and do things right, we can spend more time doing something meaningful and significant. To cultivate future talents, Chenbro has been collaborating with schools for industry academia programs. We network with different universities and help students apply theory in practice. To pursue enterprise growth, we need to embrace sustainability, such as energy saving, carbon reduction. The purpose of a business enterprise is to produce values for all stakeholders in the ecosystem. Growing for 40 years, Chenbro has made sustainability a reality. We pursue the benefits of not only individuals, but the entire society. We encourage our colleagues to care and understand the minorities and contribute to the society. We keep implementing social responsibility to make it better all together.
To mark the 40th anniversary, we're not just celebrating 40 years, but also the arrival of a new era.
Stepping into 40th anniversary of Chenbro, I would like to thank co-founders, customers, and partners that work together. Together stronger. Let's surmount difficulties and challenges and forge ahead with global partners. Let's do valuable things and make the world better.